some of the most remarkable bird behavior in the world, the mating displays of Australia's birds of paradise. His loud calls alert nearby females to his presence.
There's been times when I've had people with me that they just couldn't imagine a bird could possibly do what those birds do. They're just, as far as I'm concerned, there's no group of birds in the country that have the capabilities to show so much character and show so much spectacular displays of what the Australian riflebirds do.
At last, the male succeeded in attracting a female to watch the show. Like most birds of paradise, the male is polygamous. He'll try to mate with as many females as possible. Genetically, it's a game of winner takes all. The male with the glossiest plumage, the proudest stance, may be chosen by numerous females. His less successful rivals may get no mates at all. It's a system of female choice which remorselessly selects the most extreme and impressive male courting behavior for survival. The male is triumphant. He's passed on his genes to the next generation. But once is not enough. He'll rest briefly and then embark on a new courtship.